My name is Akane Nisic. I am from Planet Systems Group. Today I am making karaage, Japanese fried chicken. The first step is to marinate the chicken. Like this, and it's best that it stays marinated for half an hour at least, ideal scenario overnight. The second step after chicken marinated is to put the potato starch, katakuriko, and mix it very well. Okay, finally, we're going to bake the chicken at 480 degrees in the oven. But traditionally, karaage is a deep fried chicken, so if you like, you can deep fry it as well. And now here it is, karaage, the Japanese fried chicken. いただきます。